Hi everyone. Inside you will learn how to change the color of an underline element in HTML and CSS. As you can see, I got text here and there's an underline and it's in yellow color. So this is what we'll try to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's get an index file here, index.html. Let's add some basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we need a paragraph element and an underline element. Text will be hello world. Save it. Now create a style sheet here, style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select P element. Text line will be center. Color will be white. Font size will be 48 pixels. Font weight will be bold. Now select the U element. Text decoration color will be yellow. And text decoration thickness will be 5 pixels. Save it. Now open this file in the browser to see the output. And this is the output. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.